Well, good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, real quick, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey, now today I'm gonna do a couple of things. I have to finish up a little mod I'm doing to a mod, and that is on the skid plate, the TRD skid plate that I got for the front of the Tacoma here. If you saw the previous video, then you kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. But I'm going to take you over there and show you what I have done and finish up what I have to do. And then also we're going to talk about a giveaway that's coming up on the channel. Pretty cool giveaway, I think. But first off, what I've got here is a TRD skid plate for the front of the Tacoma here. And of course it's going to replace this real thin, look at that, you can even move it around. This real thin plate here that's in the front, this comes off, and then the new skid plate is going to go on. And what I like about this plate is it actually has an access panel that you remove to get to the oil filter up underneath there, and we'll see that when we do the install. And also there is a round hole in it so that you can access the drain hole, or drain plug rather, for the oil. So it should be pretty cool. So let me go ahead, get you guys set up on the tripod over there, and I'll show you where I'm at with the skid plate right now, finish it up, and then we'll get to that big giveaway that's going to be coming up on the channel. Okay, got you guys out here, got you set up. You will hear a fan going in the background because it's a little over 90 degrees in here right now, so I'm trying to stay a little cool. But real quick, this is what I used in case you're interested in this. It is a Rust-Oleum truck bed coating in black. This is what I used to paint the skid plate, so in case anybody's interested. It did take a whole can. I'll probably have to get another one to touch up the bolts when I tighten everything down, but no big deal. Let me point you down here. And you can see there is the skid plate all painted up, and it's time now. We need to put the letters in. I have those over here. These actually, and I showed this in the video before when I was doing the painting on this, but they do have little, these are really just locator pins, if you will. They do have a little clip that pushes in and out, but they're pretty flimsy. I mean, you can move them pretty easy with your hands, so they're not really designed to hold these in. That's the job of this double-sided tape on the back, which is still very sticky. So instead of trying to pull all that off and maybe damaging the letter, I've decided to just go ahead and stick them on and see what happens. Could be a mistake, maybe they'll fly off. I don't think so, but let's go ahead and get those on. We'll start with the T, of course. Make sure there's no glue sticking out over the edges, which I don't think there is. And you just push these through, it's pretty simple. And then I'm gonna hold them down here a little bit to make sure we get good adhesion. And I really do like the looks of these letters. They're nice and bright. This is the one instance, I guess, where I really do like a bright, shiny finish on something as opposed to a matte type finish. That should be pretty good, I think. Let's do the R. Again, I just want to make sure there's no tape sticking over the edge, because I did have to kind of cut through to get these off. Same procedure, of course. Go ahead and get the D on. Should be the same procedure. Man, does that red pop against this black. I really do like this black better than kind of powder coated silver, I think they called it. As you may know, I'm not a big silver fan anyway, or chrome. Alright, I'm going to just push these down a little bit more. You guys don't want to see that, I'm sure. Then we'll come back on. I'll show you what it looks like from a better angle. And then we'll get to the big giveaway that's going to be coming up. All right, now the giveaway that I've been talking about. I've mentioned this in a couple of videos here and there, but I wanted to go ahead and make it official. What I'm going to do, what you see here in front of me, is an MBRP exhaust system. This is the system that was on my Tacoma. I recently replaced it with the TRD exhaust. Now the reason I did that is because this was just a little bit louder than what I wanted in the cab. It's an excellent system. If you're looking for a throatier, deeper sound, better than this for the Tacoma. I honestly don't. But it's a great system for that if that's something that you want. What it will include is everything you need to put it on the truck. It has the muffler system itself, the MBRP stamp that you can see, or embossed here on the front, the rest of the piping here, and then, if you choose to use it, the black MBRP, which it says right across here, the black MBRP exhaust tip. All of this will come with it. So, what am I doing? Well, when the channel hits 12,000 subscribers, and we're a little less than 300 away at the moment, we're going to go ahead and give this away. That's the plan. So as soon as we get there, I will announce a contest. It's going to be one of those YouTube contests where you can win this. Should be awesome. Pretty easy to install. It is just a bolt-on. Just so you know, it did come off of a 2018 TRD Sport double cab, and it is the short cab. Anyway, stay tuned. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that when this contest comes up, if you're interested, you'll get notification of it and you can go ahead and enter, and maybe the winner will be you. Anyway, I just wanted to go over that real quick, let you guys know what I've got planned as far as this giveaway is going, make it official. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell everybody you know about this. If you know anybody who's interested or has a Tacoma and is interested in winning this, let them know. The sooner we get to 12,000 subscribers, the sooner I'll do the giveaway. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.